Assalamualikum. Welcome everyone. Today we will try to tell about some healthy recipes in the world. Sure, here are a few healthy recipes from around the world that you can try. Greek salad. This is a classic Mediterranean salad that is both healthy and delicious. To make it, simply chop up some cucumbers, tomatoes, red onion, and bell peppers, and mix them with some crumbled feta cheese, olives, and a light dressing made with olive oil and lemon juice. Japanese miso soup. Miso soup is a staple in Japanese cuisine and is known for its health benefits. To make it, simply heat up some water and add in some miso paste, diced tofu, seaweed, and green onions. Indian Chana Masala. This vegetarian dish is packed with protein and flavor. To make it, sauté some onions, garlic, and ginger in a pan, then add in some canned chickpeas and diced tomatoes. Season with Indian spices like cumin, coriander, and garam masala, and let it simmer until the flavors meld together. Mexican black bean salad. This colorful salad is both nutritious and satisfying. Simply mix together some canned black beans, diced tomatoes, red onion, and avocado, and dress with a simple vinaigrette made with lime juice and olive oil. Thai green curry. This spicy dish is packed with veggies and protein. To make it, simply sauté some green curry paste in a pan with coconut milk, then add in your choice of veggies and protein like tofu, shrimp, or chicken. Let it simmer until the flavors meld together, and serve with brown rice. These are just a few examples of healthy recipes from around the world, but there are plenty of others to explore. The key is to use fresh, whole ingredients and to limit processed foods and added sugars. Happy cooking! Thank you very much for being with us. Click the subscribe button next to get the best videos. Everyone will be fine. Assalamualaikum.